Hello dear children, in today's video we are going to discuss our question pattern of this year SSLC examination as well as some challenging chapters, some important chapters, very important chapters, and some of the important questions from those difficult chapters. First of all, I should tell you one thing. This video is not an alternative way to pass the examination. It is not a by using this video only or by studying these questions only you are not able to, you cannot pass the exam. As you know, our revisions over in these all these days. We have got a lot of time. We got a lot of preparation. This lockdown was there, many holidays were there, so by all this preparation you are going to attend your examinations. Already examinations are started. We are going to attend our English examination very soon. So before you go, I thought of making this video because I have received a lot of comments from different students from different regions of Karnataka. All these students are asking the question pattern, question method, types of question, difficult chapters, important question answers. So after reading all these comments, I thought to make this video. So without wasting much time, let us begin. First, we can discuss our question pattern for you. In English, we have 1 mark question, 2 mark questions, 3 marks question, 4 mark questions, and 5 marks question. In 1 mark question, you have to study the grammar parts. You will be having options and some direct questions. You have to study grammar as well as glossary for 1 mark question. And 1 mark questions will be there from short answers also. Like for example, name the family of Otto Frank. That is 1 mark question. I am saying an example. Otherwise, which are the 2 teams in village cricket match? So this is all one word or maximum 1 sentence only answer. 1 sentence only answer. So these questions will come under 1 mark question, very short answer question. And 2 marks question, we have short answer question, 2 or 3 sentence questions, and long answer questions we have for 3 marks. In that 5 to 6 sentence questions will be there and reference to the context from poetry section. And 4 mark questions are also long answer questions. In 4 mark questions, you have to study the memorization of poems. We have 3 poems, right? We have 3 poems for memorization: Vachana, Lokinvar, and Poisonry. In this, any 2 poem very compulsory you have to study. You have to by heart. Then you can get this 4 mark very easily. And you have paragraph questions, long answer questions, like 7 to 8 sentence questions. Then, as you know, this year we have new pattern of question paper. According to that, last year we had 5 marks from paragraph. One paragraph will be there and 5 questions will be asked from the same paragraph given above. And this year we have 4 mark, which means 2 questions consisting 2 marks each. In that method you have question this year, and 3 questions from prose and poetry, long answer questions for 4 marks. Then 5 mark question, like same as last year, 1 essay and 1 letter, which will be having choices, 2 or 3 choices will be there. So this is the pattern of question paper. And one information from this pattern, our 100 marks, which means 25% of total marks are with choices, which means if it is our paper is out of 100 marks, 25 marks questions will be having choices. So for example, 1 or 2 chapters slightly you are weak or you are not able to remember at that time, then also you can manage with the other questions, because 25% of questions will be having choices. So these things you have to keep in your mind, the question pattern. Now we are going to discuss some important chapters. Or one side it is important as well as it is little bit difficult also to study. But if you study instead of getting 1 mark, 2 mark in different questions, at a time we have chance to get a maximum 4 mark or minimum 3 marks. Even if you have written something, you will get minimum of 3 marks. So that's why today in this video I am not discussing the short answer or 1 mark questions and all. We are directly discussing 3 marks and 4 mark questions only in this video. Now I am going to tell you some important chapters. Our important chapters from prose section: the elixir of life, Louis Pasteur, what is moral action, Anne Frank's chapter, consumerist culture, village cricket match. And from poetry, Abraham Lincoln's letter, sonnet 73, stolen boat. These about 2, 4, 6 and 9, about 10 chapters total we have. These chapters if you study very clearly, perfectly, then definitely you can get good result. From 23 chapters we came to 10 chapters now. Once again I am repeating the same what I have told already. This is not an alternative way to get good result. You have to study all chapters because already we have completed our revision process. This is just an additional knowledge for you and to make little more perfect, make yourself little more perfect. That is the intention of this video. Now from each chapters I have selected by reading, by checking different previous question papers, I have came to a conclusion of some questions, some important questions or some important points to remember from these chapters, the chapters which I have told already. So let us start with Elixir of Life. From Elixir of Life, important questions which I have seen in the previous question papers. How does Sir C.V. Raman show that water is the real elixir of life? Then you have to study soil erosion. So how does C.V. Raman proved that water is the real elixir of life and soil erosion? These 2 points you have to study very carefully from elixir of life. Then Louis Pasteur, conqueror of disease. From that chapter, how did Louis Pasteur help the French wine growers and silkworm industry? When we study this question, we have to study about pasteurization, as you know. And along with this question, how did Pasteur find the idea of immunity? Like in that we have seen inoculation, injecting the weak form of germ. So these 2 questions are important from Louis Pasteur's chapter. Then moral action. Moral action must be free from fear and compulsion. There is a point and there are so many examples and explanation about this point. This one point you have to study. This is very important from moral action. Then Abraham Lincoln's letter. There are number of values Abraham Lincoln wants to teach his son. So in that values, minimum 8 points, minimum 8 values. You can select at least the easy 8 values. At least you have to study in that way. Minimum 8 values you have to study. There is a chance for a 4-mark question from this chapter. If we are lucky, we will get this question and very easily we can get this 4 mark. Of course, we will get 4 mark. If you write this 8 values, definitely you will get 4 marks. Then our important chapter, Anne Frank's, a girl who was Anne Frank. From that chapter you have to study Anne Frank's life, in the life in Annexay and before and after the arrest, how she was and how she became after her arrest. And you have to study the cruelty of Nazi, Hitler's cruelty you have to study. And according to me, the most important question, how did Anne's diary open the eyes of Germans to the viciousness of racial persecution? In that we have seen how Anne Frank's diary became popular even in Germany also. That stages, first her diary, then it became drama, then it became movie, and how many copies sold in different countries. These all points you have to study very carefully from this Anne Frank's chapter. Next, village cricket match. Village cricket match, according to you, it is very difficult because I have received number of comments to explain village cricket match. Once again, if you want to listen the summary, or if you want to listen the story of village cricket match, the link I have given here, as well as the link is there in the description box also. And from village cricket match, you have to study about the characters. We have blacksmith, we have sexton, we have postman, we have baker. Different characters are there. About their character, like their features of their characteristics of these people you have to study. And 1 or 2 funny incidents. We have number of funny incidents in the story. From that, any 1 or 2 funny incidents, maybe we can say that status quo episode, we can say the man Hodge, his decisions as a captain, how he is taking decisions. Those funny incidents are there, number of incidents are there in the chapter. From that, any 2 funny incidents you have to study from village cricket match. Next chapter, consumerist culture. From this chapter, important question, man today is an unstoppable buying machine. Explain this point. So you can write the total summary of the chapter. It is very easy. If you get this question, it will be very easy for you. Then one other very important point, tragic comedy of development, that we see at the end of the article. So these 2 points you have to study from consumerist culture. Next chapter, the poem Sonnet 73. In this Sonnet 73, it is very easy poem, very easy to remember. In this poem, you have to study the 3 different comparison metaphors, natural metaphors we see in this poem. Autumn season, and then twilight, the light after the sunset. and the ashes. These three comparison, old age, how our aging process is comparing with these three metaphors. This point you have to study. If you study this, whatever the way you get the question, you can answer to the question. Then another poem, Stolen Boat. In the Stolen Boat, one important point only that you have to study, the effect that the spectacle of the peak on poet's mind while he was coming with the boat. When he saw the peak, when he saw the mountain range, what are the thoughts came in his mind, and how he reacted, what was his decision after watching that, after feeling the scare. These all things you have to study. Of course, you have to study the summary only, but even though a little more exaggerated, you have to make when you write the answer. So these chapters, this Elixir of Life, Louis Pasteur, Moral Action, and Frank, Consumerist Culture, Village Cricket Match, Abraham Lincoln, Sonnet 73, Stolen Boat. These chapters if you study, definitely you can score maximum mark, because these are the challenging chapters, these are the important chapters from our syllabus. So after watching so many videos, after going through so many question papers, so many articles, I came to this chapters, I came to this video. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Once again, what I have told already in the beginning, this is not a alternative way to get good result. This is a help for you, this video just to help you to get little more better result. That is my intention behind making this video. So study well, write your exam very well. All the best for each and every student who are going to appear for English examination. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.